Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the LinkedIn Open to Work photo frame from your profile. This feature is useful when you're no longer actively job hunting and want to present a more settled professional image to your network. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, sign in using your email address and password to access your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the profile where you want to remove the Open to Work frame. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a panel with various navigation options. Click on your profile picture or name in this left sidebar. This action will redirect you to your full profile page where you can view and edit your professional information. Now that you're on your profile, take a moment to look at your profile picture. You should notice the green Open to Work photo frame surrounding it, along with additional indicators below showing that you're actively seeking opportunities. This visual signal lets recruiters and connections know you're available for new positions, but now we're going to remove it. Scroll down slightly below your profile picture and header section. You'll see a section labeled Open to Work with details about your job preferences. This is where LinkedIn displays information about the types of roles you're interested in. Look for the pencil icon positioned beside this Open to Work section and click on it. This pencil icon is your gateway to editing these preferences. Once you click it, a dialog box will appear showing your current job preferences. Within this window, you'll notice another pencil icon at the top of the preference details. Go ahead and click on the second pencil icon. This will expand your editing options and reveal more actions you can take. Now comes the crucial step. Among the options presented, look for the button that says Delete Job Preferences. Clicking this option will initiate the removal process for your Open to Work status. This is what will ultimately remove both the photo frame and the status from your profile. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify this action. LinkedIn wants to make sure you're certain about removing your job-seeking status. Click Delete to confirm your decision. Give it a moment to process, and the system will remove all Open to Work indicators from your profile, including the photo frame. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn profile will now display without the Open to Work photo frame, presenting a more neutral professional presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.